What is going on, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Hangout, episode 33. Thanks for coming over to the live stream. I appreciate all of you guys on here that are early. You guys are awesome. We're gonna have a great night tonight talking about crypto. It was a pretty big day, right, with the Fed meeting. But yeah, thank you guys for coming over. Doge Dude, Sniff, Duska, Bianca. Thank you guys so much for coming over. We are back, guys. We're back. We're unbanned from TikTok. If you guys are just new, I got banned from TikTok. Then I got banned again after 1 week. And then this is my third time. So let's hope it doesn't happen again, right? I'm gonna try to not talk too much. It's so dumb because last time that I got banned, my second time, I was talking about mining. As soon as I started talking about mining and that Gold Shell miners had this flash sale on their website, it was either that or my giveaway. So I'm gonna stop talking about that, to be honest, and see what happens. But also too, there's a lot of haters, there's a lot of trolls that probably be reporting my live streams, right? So we'll see. Looks like the audio is pretty good. Let me know if the audio is good for you guys. I think it's pretty good. It's like right in the middle, right? So, what's up, Doge Dude? I hate crypto with all my heart. I wish it would have just stayed in stocks and metals. When you came to crypto, did you like switch everything into crypto, or do you still have some stocks and metals? What's up, Scammer Proof? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming over. We are back. We're back. TikTok cannot stop us, guys. They banned us twice. It's gonna be our third time. I'm praying that nothing happens, but I'm gonna try to be safe this time. I'm not gonna talk about mining. I'm not gonna talk about a giveaway, because that's literally what I talked about last live stream. I mean, like the first ban I was talking about the government and the de-dollarization of the dollar and currencies and stuff like that. But the second time I just didn't get. And there probably is a lot of trolls that are reporting my lives. Maybe that's part of it. I don't know. But we'll see. We can't see what you are eating. Sorry, I was just eating this Chewy Bars Fiber One protein bar. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, my bad. Guys, my bad. I had the camera up. Dang. Sorry, you guys couldn't see me you guys couldn't see me there for a sec. Cuz I had the camera up. But yeah, we're about to go live here on TikTok too. From a week of getting banned. So, let's see how it goes. Again, once I get 10K followers on TikTok, I'm not gonna have to put up my phone here. I'll be able to live stream right on my computer. So, and guys, I have so much to update you guys. Like, it's not even funny. I've started during this time. I started a crypto node mining hub right here in my office. I made a TikTok and shorts on it. I'm gonna talk to you guys about that. Oh dang! I don't know if I could talk to you guys about mining. Probably I'll talk about the nodes, but. I bought during this weekend. I bought my first pre-search node, which I'll talk about too. I connected my Dogecoin mini miners. My HS miners start gonna come in the mail. And another thing, guys, is I have like a bunch of used up computers that my dad got from like people along the years. And I saw with Chia lets you mine their coin with your hard drive. And it's like worth it. Like the rewards are pretty good. So what I did was I went through all these computers, took out the hard drives, and I did this during this week, and took out the hard drives, and now I'm gonna start Chia mining as well. So I'll talk about that too. Chia is this coin called that the tag is XCH, and you can mine with your hard drive. And yeah, like the goal of my node and miner hub, guys, is to just enter these projects. So you guys don't understand these projects, these nodes, pre-search, Flux, all these node projects, they were making people $5,000, $10,000 a month during the bull market. And even today, I mean, they're not making that $10,000. Probably went down to like 2,000, 1,500, or 2,000. But still, like, if you invest today in these nodes and projects and miners, if they do survive into the next bull market, you could be making a lot monthly. So that's my main goal with these, right? So yeah, let's get it started here. Let me get the TikTok started. Get my light on. Get this. Doing well. That's great, Joey. Happy you guys are doing well. Don't forget to like, guys. We got 13 viewers, 2 likes. The likes always helps. Last time I live streamed here on YouTube, we got a good amount of viewers. Appreciate everyone that came last time. But yeah, let's get it started here on TikTok as well. 3, 2, 1, and we are back. We are back on TikTok, on YouTube. No one can stop Sir Lewis. We're back, guys. After 1 week, right? After 1 week here, we're back, and appreciate all of you guys coming in. You guys are awesome. I'm gonna talk to you guys about the coins that I recently bought. Obviously, not financial advice. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. We're double living on I can't even say that either. We're doing a live stream right now. Not financial advice. But thank you guys so much for coming out. We got a big news today. T Money, what's up, T Money? I was just about to talk. Yeah, Shibarium. I was just about to start talking about that. You came in just in time, man. T Money says Shibarium beta launched this week, confirmed by Shy Toshi retweet. Yes, finally, right? So it's confirmed. Shibarium beta launched this week, confirmed on Twitter. So I feel like this is gonna obviously happen. Like, I don't see them delaying this after like already announcing it. So this is great news for Shiba. It's just like the time. I feel like the timing is bad, but it doesn't matter, right? Because I'm in Shiba long term. But what I mean by the timing that is bad is the fact that we probably will start coming down because of the Fed today. But like I said, it doesn't matter. This is long term. I'm long term Shiba, so I definitely want to look into being part of the Shibarium beta, right? And thank you guys for coming over to the TikTok. We got 12 viewers on TikTok. Don't forget to like, guys. We're back here from a week of being BAN, but I appreciate all you guys coming on here. I got so much to update you guys. Like I said, I've been buying crypto. Again, nothing is financial advice. Please do your research. This is only for entertainment purposes only. Okay, TikTok. But yeah, Shibarium beta is confirmed. This is huge, and I gotta start stacking bone. Do you have any bone, T Money? I'm pretty sure you do because you're a big Shiba fan. Let me know if you have any amount of bone. But I gotta start stacking bone because, I mean, if you think Shiba is gonna do well, then bone is gonna do well too, right? They're connected in a way, right? And one thing to know, guys, too, for if you guys are long-term Shiba, to be a validator and Shibarium, you need at least 10,000 bone if you want to be a validator to earn passive income. Now, I don't know what you earn. Do you earn Shiba or more bone? I gotta check on that. But I just know for a fact to be a validator in Shibarium in the future, when they allow it, you need at least 10,000 bone, which is pretty expensive at the moment. It's like 10K something. Hey, what's up? Summer Breeze. Thank you for coming. A lot of people already joined. Nice. Yes. We're back here live streaming, and we're back on TikTok. Yes, Carrie, we're back on TikTok after a week of being BAN. We're back here on TikTok. Thank you guys for coming over, giving you all the likes. And nothing is financial advice. Nothing here is financial advice. We're just talking about crypto. Okay. But let's check here and see. What is a safe prediction for ETH in 2 to 3 years? I would honestly say like 15 to 20k. 15 to 20k ETH for sure. I don't know. I feel like the top. I feel like ETH is gonna hit the top of next bull run whenever it is. I think it's gonna hit a range from 25 to 30k ETH. I know that's kind of crazy, but I think next bull run, and I'm not saying the bull run's gonna be next year. I'm saying whenever it is, I think ETH will probably hit 25 to 30k. I know you guys are probably like, wow, that's insane. No way that's possible. But people were seeing the same thing when ETH was like $50 a couple years back, and went to near 5k, right? What's up, Amando? Amando says, hey bro, my job basically gave me ultimatum. If I want to keep my job, I'm not having it though. Any advice? Can you tell me more details about your situation? Did the market bottom? I don't think so, Bird. I feel like right now a lot of people are torn between that. I think a lot of people think that we did bottom, and then there's a lot of people that think that we didn't. Let me actually check the greed and fear index, because that's very interesting to see. But I don't think we bottomed. I think we will bottom for sure this year. The GOAT is back. Yeah, let's go. The GOAT is back. Nothing can stop me, guys. Nothing can stop me. We're back after basically 2 weeks, right? The first week we got BAN. Come back, we get BAN. Now we're back again, right? And obviously I'm gonna be more careful talking this time. I don't know why I got, kicked last one. Makes no sense, but hey, I'll just, nothing here is financial advice. Like I said, this is just for entertainment, okay? I'm an entertainer. Not really, but this is entertainment purposes only, not financial advice, okay? All these decisions, all these investments, they're what I'm doing, so please do your own research on them too, okay? Like, they're trying to come at me for something that I'm honestly not at fault, and I'm not forced to make a decision. I mean, I want to keep the job, but why should I apologize for something ridiculous? Yeah, I mean, if you're in a bad environment like that where people are turning against you, and like you said, it's not your fault and you're like forced, then I don't know why. I wouldn't, unless like it's probably a nice job, right? That's probably why you want to keep it. But you should talk to like a higher up. I don't know if the manager is against you too, but you should talk to a higher up, so the higher up can take care of it. Because in HR, I don't know if it has HR too, but definitely talk to someone higher up. And if they're all against you, then in my situation, I would probably leave it, in my opinion. What investment can cash flow profit 5k a month? Great. Oh, right here, look, the fear and greed index right now is neutral, which is exactly what I said. I said right now everyone's divided. The bottom is in, the bottom is not in, right? It's very neutral, but I would say that we haven't seen the bottom yet. But to answer your question, so Bird, you mean in any type of investment profit 5k a month? Obviously real estate is great, right? Like there's many types of real estate. There's like apartment, there's Airbnb, but I think real estate is really probably the best one to cash flow 5k a month for sure. Now if you want to know, like in crypto, it's funny you asked that, because I've been getting into crypto passive income, which is basically like cash flow crypto. That's a pretty cool name. I should name something like that. Cash flow, crypto cash flow, crypto. But I've been getting into that, and in crypto, what you want to see for cash flow, for making monthly income, are, like I said, nodes, right? Crypto nodes, not just staking. People think that it's just staking, you know, but nodes, being having a node for a project, and obviously the other one is emming, you know, mining. But basically, I've been getting into it, and I actually made a TikTok, my latest TikTok. I'm basically starting a node and M hub, and I'm keeping you guys up to date on all my investments, and also how much I make monthly, and the ROI. Did I ROI yet? And all of that. I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated, as well as I just got a pre-search node this weekend. I got my first pre-search node. If you guys know what that is, it's this node for this project called pre-search, and it costs around $230, and it makes around $8 to $9 a month, which is pretty good in my opinion. So I'll talk more about pre-search if you guys want to learn more. But it makes around, for like a $230 investment on the node, it makes around $9 to $8 a month, and it's not locked. Like, I can take out my pre-search and sell it. DFV managers against, but HR does come in handy. Yeah, definitely talk to HR, because that's what their job is for. But I mean, yeah, if the manager, does that manager have another manager? Section 8 housing is nice. Yeah, like, yeah, 5K a month of real estate. The thing with real estate is you need a high upfront cost. That's the thing with real estate, right? Yes, it's probably the best cash flow, but you need a high, you know, upfront cost. What is the difference between a node and mining? Great question by Bird. And basically, the difference is that a node is like a validator that validates transactions for that project. It validates like either transactions, certain things within that project. Basically, it talks to other nodes. So like, if I have a node here, someone has a node in Australia, someone has a node in Canada, the nodes are all talking to each other, transacting with each other, and it actually makes the network stronger. It makes it stronger, safer, and all of that, because these nodes are all powerful together. And if you have a node, based on that project, you earn a percentage of the rewards or something like that. Every project is different. Now, what you said, the other one, M, right? Emming. I'm gonna call it emming. Okay, so from now on, what Bird just says, M, you know what I mean? I'm gonna call it emming, just to be safe. But emming is like, you're taking computer power, either with GPUs, ASICs, and it's basically doing like calculations. Like, computers do calculations all the time, like mathematical and all that. And depending on like the hash rate and all that, you'll get a reward for the calculation that your computer, like your GPU or your ASIC miner gets right. And that's the main difference. So one, emming, you gotta buy, you know, the equipment for it, which could be pretty high. But recently, right now, I've been investing in like the Dogecoin Mini. The Dogecoin Mini is a pretty good one if you're long-term Dogecoin and Litecoin. But they also have Cadena. They also have Sia Coin. They have a couple other ones as well. And for GPU, you can M coins like Ravencoin. Caspa was just recently blown up. Caspa has been going crazy, right? Obviously, I would wait a little bit because Ethereum is changing to proof of stake. I definitely want the GPUs to come down in price so I could get more into GPU. But that's the main difference. I feel super bullish. What's the name of the $200? Yeah, so the one that I got, So around that price right now, I would say the one that I have, the Doge Mini, is around $230. We also have the HS Mini, the HSM that I bought on the sale. I got 3 for 2. No, yeah, I got 2 and I got a free one. There's also other ones that are around the same price. For Cadena, it's just based on what coin you like. So there's Cadena, there's one for Cadena, there's one for Sia coin, HSN, HNS coin, Dogecoin, which also mines Litecoin, and the other one is Nervous Network, CKB, I believe, and then Library as well. So all those coins that I said, they all have a mini machine that is around that price point. Kyle Killer says thoughts on Polkadot. I like Polkadot. I do like Polkadot. I've been stacking it. I think, you know, it's definitely a blue chip for a reason. I'm definitely long term on Polkadot. I think there's gonna be a lot of stuff being built on Polkadot. So I do like Polkadot. I'm happy that it did come down a lot, because when we look at Polkadot, right, it's around $5 right now, 5.85 cents. During the bull market, it was around 55, right? So $5 to 55, that is a big difference when you look at it, right? And I kind of look at Polkadot and Chainlink, kind of similar. Polkadot and Chainlink are very similar because they're both around the same price. They topped around $55, $53, and right now are currently around $5 to $7 when you look at the price difference for Polkadot and Chainlink, right? But looking right here at my chart, I thought something like this was gonna happen. Hey, look, this can still happen, right? Where we have like another shoulder up, and then we come back down and we break it. But right now, Bitcoin is holding for its dear life to hold this downtrend, as you can see right here. It's holding it for its dear life. Right now, we technically broke it, but I'm still not convinced that we broke it and we're coming down right here. I still think Bitcoin can still come back in here and hold it. But you can see why there's so much, why it's been flat, right? Because it's trying to hold that bottom downtrend. Hey, what's up, CB? How you been, bro? Thank you for coming to the live stream. Yo, C-Man, you lose 7-0. LO. Yeah, I saw the match too, man. I saw that match. That was insane. They lost 7, and that was the worst defeat for Man U in 92 years, I believe. Is emming Bitcoin? To be honest, I feel like it's not dead, but I wouldn't invest in it if you're like new into emming, because it's a huge upfront cost, and I feel like it's not worth it. I feel like emming all coins is better, to be honest. What's your ROI in the Doge Mini? Yeah, so my ROI, to be honest, at the moment, since the Doge Mini is not profitable based on like the electricity cost, it's been basically break even. So ever since I got it, it's just been break even. If I, you know, discount the electricity cost, but I've been making around 30. Yeah, basically, I gotta check because it's been around $30 a month with both of them. So I have 2 Doge Minis, and it's been around 30. It's either 25. It's in between 25 to 35. I gotta check, but it's around that price. But if I were, like I said, if I were to discount the electricity cost, which to be honest, like I haven't seen a huge difference in the electrical bill, but again, you know, it's something that you gotta take in account. But even with being break even on the Doge Mini, I don't care, because during the bear market, a lot of these equipment, they're not profitable right now, and that's fine, because that brings the price down. Like the Doge Mini, the one that I have, when it came out during the bull market, it was around $1,000. Not even joking, you can go back. It was around $1,000, $800 to $1,000. Now it's around $230. Some people are selling for $400, but it's basically $230. The new one that came out, the Doge 2, that one's around $500 basically. Because the Doge 2 that just came out, it's basically 2 Doge minis in one. Based on like the specs. It's basically, it's 2 Doge minis in one. What do you mean, Benjamin? What do you disagree with? You disagree with my chart? Like, so this, I had this from a couple of days ago. I thought it was gonna do something like this, which it can still do. Basically like another shoulder, and we'll have like a head and shoulders pattern. But again, Bitcoin is trying to hold this for its dear life, and we'll see what happens. We closed, look, we just closed on the daily. Yeah, did we close? Not yet. Yeah, we closed right on it, but we'll see what happens. Mad Data was going crazy over the foot. Yeah, I saw it was crazy, man. I saw Salah score. I was rooting for Salah to score because he's the top scorer for Liverpool now. So it was great. So when the Doge 5 to 10x, then you will make profit? Question mark. Yeah. So Bird. So how it works, and this is the same thing that happened last bear market. That's why I'm investing hard into emming and nodes, is because during the last bear market, a lot of M's equipment were unprofitable. And the people that bought it when it was unprofitable at cheap prices were making a lot of money during the bull market. Emming, whether it was Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, whatever it was, they were making bank. And the same, it's gonna be the same thing. But yes, you're right. Once Doge makes like a big move, like I don't know what price Doge would have to be for me to be profitable. But probably just a little higher. I think if it goes back to like 15 cents, 10 to 15 cents, I feel like that would be profitable. So it's not a big difference, to be honest. But like I said, I bought these knowing that they're break even at the moment. Even if it goes to unprofitable, right? Dogecoin goes back to 5 cents. I don't care because I'm long-term Dogecoin, and I think, and these equipment are so discounted that I think it's a good deal for if you're long term. And this is called like spec emming. That's what they call it, because you're speculating on the project and you know, emming it. So 6.5% ROI monthly, not bad. Yeah, yes, it's not bad. It's 30, like I said, $30. But the thing is, here's the thing. I got both of them for $230. No, I got one for $250 and one for $230. So that's around 480. Yeah, that's like around 480. Yeah. So that's around $480 for both, and they make around $30 a month, around there. Last time I checked. What nodes are you looking into right now? Great question, Trader's Truth. And man, thank you I thank you so much for asking that question, because this weekend, guys, the reason why I didn't go live this weekend, I know you guys are expecting me to go live this weekend, but this weekend I spent the entire weekend setting up my node and M hub. M, I mean, you know, emming. I can't say it because, you know, but you can check out my latest shorts, or if you're on TikTok, my latest TikTok. I'm setting it up. My main goal, like I said, is crypto passive income. I'm setting myself up for the bull market, because what you guys need to know is that these nodes, these equipment, were making people $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month. Like, not even a joke. And they're still making people money, crypto passive income, during this bear market. It's just less. So if someone was making 10K right now, it would probably went down to 2K to 1K, around there, which is a huge drop. But with that, a lot of these nodes, a lot of these, you know, equipment, came down big. Like I said, the Doge Mini that I have, when it was released, it was $1,000. Now it's around 200, 230, right? But basically, Trade is Truth, the one that I just recently got this weekend was a pre-search node. I got my first pre-search node. Do not sleep on pre-search, guys. Look into it. I'll probably make a video on how to set up a pre-search node, but there's so many videos out there that it's just crazy. It took me probably like 3 hours. Okay, I know it took me around 3 hours because I was looking at videos at the same time and I was, doing certain things. But it's not that hard to set up a pre-search node. And basically, the pre-search node, I got one for $230, which is, yes, what I got it for yesterday. It was around 4,000 pre-search, around $230, and it makes you around $9 to $8 a month. Okay, and I'll keep you guys updated on that as we go. 78% return in 1 year. Wow. So 50K setup would make 39K in a year. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy, but the thing is, you can't put all your eggs in one basket, right? If you just have 50K and you're gonna go all in into this, don't do it, because at the same time it's spec mining. We can go way lower, right? So be careful. But like I said, I just been accumulating. Like, I'm not going all in yet. Like, it's not like I'm buying all these nodes, all these equipments in just one time. No, I'm being patient. This year is gonna be a year to be patient in crypto, and it's gonna be like a accumulation year. I still don't think the bottom is in, which I hope it's not, because I definitely want to buy at cheaper prices. But I think this year is gonna be Bitcoin's just gonna be ranging. I don't think it's gonna be making any crazy high upwards movement this year. I would be surprised. But I think it's gonna be ranging. It's gonna be very boring, flat. Like the last couple of days was just super flat, right? I think it's gonna be something like that this year. Can you sell every day, or does it auto stake for a certain amount? Great question. So it depends where you have your pool connected to. So with these equipment, you can connect it to F2 pool, and there's other pools too. The one that I like is F2 pool because it's easy to connect it there. And basically, every time I make a certain amount of Dogecoin and Litecoin, they send it to my wallet automatically. It's not a huge. Basically, they send me like every 6 to 7 days. That's why it's been like the last months, because it has to reach a certain threshold for Dogecoin and Litecoin. Now, let's say I double my equipment. It's gonna go from 7 days to 3 days, because I'm gonna be making that Dogecoin faster. You see what I'm saying? So I like F2 pool. I think they do have a small fee, but it's not really a big fee compared to other ones, and it's like passively, like it just gets sent to your wallet like every week. They just take care of it. So, Lewis, are you aware of Coinsbase Base? It allows projects that are built on it to automatically update simultaneously with No, I wasn't. What's that? What's Coinbase Base? Is that the new thing that Coinbase just set out, the layer 2 or whatever? Lewis, did you hear about the court hearing with Grayscale? SEC judge was not having any of their excuses for not approving a spot ETF. It was like an hour long, and the judge grilled them hard. The judge was like, if you approved a future, you should have approved a spot first, since that's what makes the market. Yeah, I do agree with that. No spot, there is no point to even having a future. So basically, they put themselves onto a corner, approving one over the other. Wow. I didn't see that yet, GT. But I'm going to have to look at that, because that's pretty big. With the court hearing with the Grayscale SEC. But I do agree with that. The spot ETF definitely makes a huge difference, because the futures is like derivatives, right? And I feel like that's been really bad for Bitcoin. derivatives, and I do think that a spot ETF and all that is very, very bullish because you're actually buying it, right? Versus like a futures where it's not actually buying it. D-Key says, check out BNB. You want me to check out BNB? Let me know. But yeah, I mean, like, at the current moment, Bitcoin is trying to hold its dear life right here. Okay. Look, if we close under this, we're probably coming down. We could potentially come down and retest the previous higher low, which was around 21,500, 21,700. Okay, which would look something like this, right? And if we hold that, we might come back up and then come back like that. We might do something like that. That's if we, lose this support, which at the moment it looks like it's happening. Right, Bitcoin at the moment is at 22,174. And let's take a look here at the SPY, because the SPY, like I said, is very important. And we can see, look, we did get a bounce when the SPY came down to retest that huge downtrend. We did come down and bounce off of it, which is bullish. But now we're coming back down for a retest, another retest, possibly. And you can see right here a big red candle today, right? Big red candle today. We haven't seen a big red candle like this since back here February 21st or even February 9th in the SPY. So we'll see what happens this week. This month is gonna be crazy, like I said. Kind of disappointed they moved the Shanghai update into April, sometime in April, because that was gonna be huge, right? But we still got the Mt. Gox thing. We still got other factors this month. And now recently we got the Shibarium confirming Shibarium beta, which is big news for Shiba Inu. And like I said, I've been stacking Shiba Luna Classic this entire summer, and I've been stacking more. I believe in it long term, and I gotta start stacking Bone, because Bone is gonna be huge with Shiba. If you believe in Shiba, then Bone and Shiba are interconnected. And like I said, to be a validator on Shibarium, you need to have at least 1,000 Bone. So, and look, 1,000 Bone right now is like 10K, so I'm far away from that. But hey, right, it doesn't hurt to start stacking a little bit. Now let's check out here my watch list and see the coins here that I'm looking at. So the coins here that are up in my watch list, guys, this coin right here, I'm looking into this coin. This is another project. This project right here, guys, that is in my watch list. And by the way, if you guys want to get my watch list, it's part of my Patreon. This is it. It's connected to CoinMarketCap. But this is it right here. It's up 70% this week. It's the highest coin up here in my watch list, up 70% this week. That's insane. And 4 is this very small cap, ranked 2000. It's this small cap coin that I've been doing research on, and I'm gonna look to get a node for this coin. And the node entry for this coin really isn't that high. It's around like $100 and something to have a node for this project. Okay, and this is a very again, this is very risky. Not not financial advice. Do your own research, but this has a lot of room to grow. It's ranked 2046. And what sucks is that I was about to invest in it, and then out of nowhere, the next 2 days, boom, 70% up on the weekly. And I was like, what? That's insane. I can't. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit because it's up too much. But this is one of the node projects that I'm looking to get into that doesn't have huge entry for a node. It probably went up now since 4 went up, but definitely check it out. This one too, Phantasma. This is a big project here that I have in my my watch list. Do not sleep on this project. Phantasma Soul. Basically what this project is, they're a gaming project that are looking to bring out smart NFTs. And what smart NFTs are, it's NFTs that are like automatic, that do things automatic. Like for example, you rent, like let's say there's an NFT where you can rent out a movie. Basically at the end of that rental, the NFT would automatically like it'll go back. That's what a smart NFT is. But this project Phantasma, do not sleep on this. This has high potential to be a huge project. It's ranked 550. Okay, so please do some research on this project if you guys are pro gaming for crypto, and also are looking to research smart NFTs. Phantasma, definitely research it, because it's one of the projects here on my watch list, and it's up. It is up. How much? 20% on the weekly. So it's up 20% this week. Hey, what's up, Cryptosaurus? How you been, bro? I saw your TikTok on crypto games thoughts on Floki, Valhalla. I have some Floki. I'm bullish on Floki. I haven't played Valhalla yet, but I'm so happy I bought just a little bit of Floki a couple months back. Now it's like triple the price. So I'm still holding it. I haven't sold, but I'm bullish on Floki. I've been just doing so many things that I haven't had time to check out Valhalla, but I definitely will. What is the best M right now? Great question by Bird. What is the best M? By M, you know what I mean by M. I'm not gonna say it because, you know. Sorry, just eating Reese's. Hey, what's up, Yasin? How you been, bro? We are back, Yasin. We are back. We're back on TikTok, and it's going great so far. Appreciate all you guys here on TikTok. You guys are awesome. But to answer your question, Bird, the best M in my opinion is probably like a really high up miner that's probably like worth around $1,000 or something, because it's like profitable. But in terms of like budget, I would probably, it depends too on what coin you believe in, right? It depends on what coin you believe in. But man, like if let's say if I could pick a free M equipment, obviously it's gonna be in the 1,000 range, the 1,000 range ones. It would probably be a ASIC. Hold on, I'm checking out here the profitability here for a lot of these you know, equipments. Yeah, so look, it's very easy to do this. You just go right here to profitability, this website, and it tells you right here, this one makes you 16 a day, right? And this takes an effect with the electricity costs as well. And this one, so basically the best M in terms of profitability is this one right here. Is the L7. It's the L7. Okay. With something like this, the L7. Technically, that's the best one. It's the most profitable one. Now, in terms of budget, let me check one here in terms of budget, like the cheapest one for the best profitability. Let's check here the cheapest one for the best profitability. To be honest, I feel like it's this one. What should have had the prices here, but I think it's this one, the iPalo G1, because I know this one is a lot cheaper. Well, not really. It's like still five grand. I don't think I have TikTok. I thought you found me from TikTok, Yasin. I forgot how you found my channel. So this one right here, the E9, the E9 is around 2,000, and it's profitable. It's like $3 profitable, and it's currently around 3,000. But in mine, it IMs Eve Classic. That's the main coin that it IMs. Eve Classic, and the other ones are pretty like low cap, really low cap. But yeah. That's the one. Let's see NO2, bro. What's up, Bubs? So look, I had this drawn here from a couple of days ago. Looks like it's not playing out. Okay, so I'm not always right, guys. Okay, I'm not always right. I still think this can still play out, but at the moment, Bitcoin it's fighting for its life right here on this downtrend, this uptrend. Right, we broke supports, and now we're just look, you can see right here, we broke support, and we actually came up and we rejected it a little bit. But I still think there's a chance that we can come back into it. But it's gonna take a lot. It's gonna take the bulls to come in and buy a, create good price action. But if not, guys, if not, we could potentially come back down to around where I predict would be around 21,700, and then we probably will break 21,700 and then come back to 20,800 around here, somewhere in this range. That's if we break support here. If not, I think we'll probably have like another shoulder and then come back down and lose it. Those are my two situations. Okay. I found it on YouTube. Oh, okay. That's great. I'm happy you found it on YouTube. But yeah, look, guys, if you guys are just tuning in, I started this weekend. I literally cleaned up my office and I started my Node and M hub right here in my office. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on my videos and shorts and TikTok. How much I make a month and how much was my my initial investment. So far, guys, my initial investment is around $1,000. Okay, and basically I have 2 Doge Minis. I recently bought 2 HS equipment, that M's, you know what I mean? That M's either Sia coin or HNS. So I have the option to choose between Sia coin or HNS. I bought that. That's still gonna come in. So that was around $400, and it's 3 of them, and it's still gonna come in hopefully this week. Hey Stars, thank you so much, man. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you so much for the super chat, Stars. Good evening, King Louis. Hey, man, I'm not a king, man, but thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate the super chat, Stars.
Higher, new donation.
I gotta change the GIF. I've been having that one of Krusty Krabs for a long time. I gotta change it up. But thank you so much for the super chat, Stars. Is M safe for bedroom and sleep next to? Great question by Bird. So if you're gonna start Ming and buying M equipment, I would recommend having it in like a place where it's the temperature is gonna be the most important thing. Okay. If it's gonna be put in a place that doesn't have a lot of cooling, right? Maybe during the summer that room gets very, very hot. It's very humid. You don't want it there. You want to put it in a place that's cool and not like super, like it's not like 50 degree, like, you know what I mean, like just the temperature has to be right. That's the most important thing. And obviously it has to, you know, be in a place where it doesn't get dust put into it. I can actually show you right here where my M equipment is at. Let me actually do that. He is a prince. Thank you, Yasin. What's the NI YouTube chart, Bubs? What's the NI YouTube chart? You're very welcome, brother. How has the day been treating for you so far? It's been great. We got, you know, I had a great day at work today. No overtime, thank God. But the reason why I haven't live streamed this weekend, guys, I've been very, very busy. I basically cleaned out my whole office and I started my Node and M hub. You can check out my latest short on it. I'm gonna be keeping you guys up to date on how much I make a month with crypto passive income, cash flow, and how much I invested in, and what's my ROI so far and all that. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But this weekend I spent like hours and I got my first pre-search node, so I'm happy I took care of that goal. I got my first pre-search node, which was around $230 for one, and it gives me around $9 to $8 a month with this node, so I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna be looking to get another one. Hopefully the prices come down. But man, $230 for a pre-search node. Back during the bull market, it was around $800 for one, which is insane, right? But again, people are probably making like 30 plus bucks a month during that time. And sorry if I haven't gotten back to you on the DM. I will tonight, promise. I've just been so super busy, but I definitely will get back to you in the DMs regarding Exodus wallet. I wondered about crypto miners, but I'm interested in increase in the electrical bill. Yeah, Jared. So the thing is, that is a big factor, right? The electrical bill. That's why, like, my mini, I don't have my M equipment. That's what I call it. The ones that I have are like the mini ones. So I have the Doge Mini, and I recently bought 3 HS equipment, and they're all like the same size, and they're not that bad versus, they're like 230 watts each. It's not that bad. Now if you are buying like one of the big ones, then it's gonna be obviously it's gonna be a lot of power, and especially if it's not profitable, right? It's not worth it. But what was I gonna say? The thing is, like, I'm investing in this now because even though it's not profitable or like break even, basically, I'm investing in it because I think once we start to move towards the bull market, into next bull market, you're gonna see the prices of these things go very, very high. Like the Doge, the one that I have, it was around $1,000 during the bull market, and thank God I didn't buy one then. I was like, no way, I'm gonna buy this. It's too expensive. So I waited, and then I got one for $230 during the bear market. And a lot of equipment right now is pretty cheap. What's your price prediction on these coins? XRP. I like XRP. XRP is actually one of my top 3 holdings. Young. I'm not good at price predictions, but definitely, like, XRP can definitely go back to its all-time highs and even further, depending on how it goes with the SEC. But I think that's gonna be one of the most pivotal moments in crypto history, when everything is done with XRP and SEC, when everything is done with that case that's been taking for like years now. It's just so annoying, right? Like, when is this gonna end? This is just something that's holding crypto down, and not just XRP, but it's gonna take an effect in the whole crypto market, in my opinion. Put it in your garage, hello. Yeah, I don't have a garage, but if you do have a garage, the garage is a great place, because it's cool down there. But again, during the summer, you got to be careful. You got to make sure it's not humid, and you know, so it can be overheating. Bub says InnoTube is a token with watch to earn platform. Oh, okay. What's their tag? I'll look them up. Let me know their tag, Bubs. Star says, love to hear so, and don't stress about not streaming. We are so glad you've been having a productive weekend. Thank you so much, Stars. You know, I really wanted to stream, but I was like, you know what? I'm still BA end on TikTok, and I made it my goal during this weekend to get a pre-search node, to basically not just get a pre-search node, but set up my whole room. And it's so organized right now, like it looks so nice. I have the miners at the top, and what I did was I have so much like computers that my dad got from people that were just like sitting around. So what I did was that I tested out all the computers, and I got the 2 best ones that have like Windows 10 and everything. And then what I did is the crap, like the bad computers, I took out all the hard drives. So I took out all the hard drives from them. And what I'm going to start doing is Chia emming. I'm going to start emming Chia. And if you haven't looked into Chia, guys, look into Chia, XCH. It's basically emming using your hard drive. So it doesn't use a lot of electricity like the other emming equipment. And you're using your hard drives, basically. And the question is it worth it? Does it give pretty good rewards? Yeah, from what I've seen, it does. At the moment, obviously, it can change, but do not sleep on Chia. Look into it. If you guys have hard drives laying around, and maybe you have a computer that you haven't used in years, and you have hard drives laying around, you can M Chia for sure. Definitely look into that. H-bar. I like H-bar too. I think H-bar XRP will do well for sure. They're both part of the ISO coins. Miss Finger says, hi, is Dogecoin a good time to buy? Question mark. Great question. I'm kind of, I don't know. I don't know, because Dogecoin can definitely come down. Where's the... What the... I don't know why my thing isn't showing. Yeah, my thing is not showing here. Let me see here, Doge. So what I did was, instead of buying Doge, I just bought the miner, and then that gives me Doge passively. But look, Dogecoin right now, it's in a very aggressive downtrend, as you can see. So you can get a little bit, you can get your feet wet, right? If you don't have any, you can start. I think it's a good time to start accumulating. But again, we can definitely come back here to like 6 cents, right? Especially if Bitcoin continues to downtrend, for sure, without a doubt. How to M on laptop? Great question. So how to M on laptop? So like I said, Chia, you can actually M Chia on your laptop. There's a video on how to do it. It's basically super easy. You just gotta connect. You gotta get your hard drives and connect it to a USB. What I actually did was I bought a USB, and what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna start like an Amazon store where I'm basically gonna put all the equipment that I buy that you guys can check out, and I'll be obviously I'll have a affiliate link and all that. But I bought like a USB hub, and with the USB hub, it allows me to connect a bunch of hard drives into it so I can mine Chia. So Chia, you'll probably be able to mine Chia. Now other coins, it really depends on the power of your laptop and the GPU that you have, which it's probably not gonna be a lot, to be honest, to mine like other coins, like using like NiceStash. I forgot that website, NiceStash or something, where you can mine like any coin you want. But it's probably not gonna be worth it, because your laptop is gonna be like it's gonna be playing a tool on your laptop, right? And I wouldn't recommend it. The only one I would recommend is Chia mining, and or if you're like setting up nodes. And like I said, guys, if you nodes is a great way to earn passive income in crypto without having to buy equipment and worry about, you know, all that. Nodes, looking at buying nodes is great. Lewis, look at UFO gaming. Yes, I used to have UFO gaming during the bull market. I sold all of it, but I think I have UFO here in my watch list. But yeah, UFO gaming is basically a very low cap gaming coin in the gaming section. Yeah, I have it in my watch list. This ranked 458. But I haven't been keeping up to date with them. How are they doing, Yasin? If you've been up to date with them, how's UFO gaming been doing? Was you able to get mini Doge Miner 2? No, so I was really torn on getting it, Jared, because when it came out on this website, it was around with the discount price for $70. Let me show you. Let me share here the website for you. This website had like the lowest price for the Doge 2, and it was around 480. And I was just like, you know, I just bought 2 HS equipment M's, and I just didn't buy it. But this website, let me see if it's sold out or not. I shared it here with one of my friends. Let me see if I can find him. Yeah, right here. This is the website right here where it was around 480, which was the cheapest price. It's already sold out on Gold Shell. So I told you guys it was gonna get sold out. It didn't get sold out on like the first day. Is it sold out? Please don't be sold out. No, it's not sold out. Let me put. No, I did. Is it? Oh no, I gotta pick the batch. Hold up. Without PSU. Oh, looks like it's not sold out on this website. Okay, so it's still up on this website for 480 using the discount code. Yeah, let me check if it's legit. Yeah, 480. Yeah, look at that. So right now you can get it for 480, which is funny because like when I'm looking at what people are selling the Doge Mini 1, right, the one that I have, that basically makes half of the Doge 2. They're selling it for around $500 right now. It is literally the same price as the Doge 2. So what I'm thinking about doing is I'm gonna be listing. I'm just gonna try it and test this out, but I'm gonna be listing my Doge Minis for around $400, $450 to around $400 on like Mercari, eBay, all that, and try to sell it for that price point, and then using that to buy the Doge 2, because it'll basically be like the same price, right? That's my plan. But I know that the Doge, the first one, the Doge Mini first one, the price is like $200. Like I wouldn't buy one for more than $250. That's how much they actually are worth. Okay, because basically the Doge 2 makes the same it makes what 2 Doge Minis make. So you just gotta combine 2 Doge Minis, and that's what the Doge 2 makes, and it's 480 right now on this website. Hi, what's up, Samantha? Thank you for coming to the live stream. You need a green screen with a background. You think so? I don't know. I feel like, let me know if I should get a green screen, because I always felt like the border is kind of cool, or it's different. What up, Sir Lewis? It's been a while. Yes, Dr. Doc. It's been. You know why it's been a while, Doctor? Because I've been BAN basically for 2 weeks now. Okay, if you haven't known, 2 weeks from now I got BAN, and then I come back 1 week later. and get BAN'd again. And today is the third time that I come back. So far it's been great. Again, nothing here is financial advice. Okay? TikTok. But hey man, happy you came back. Appreciate you coming back here. Guys, don't forget to like the live stream. It definitely helps out a lot with the algorithm and all that. Star says, I have yet to ask. Thoughts on Casper, CSPR. I've been building a bag. I see big potential. Yes. So I've been building a bag too on CSPR. I looked a little bit into it, but I like everything that they're doing, but I haven't looked too deep into it, so I really don't know that much. But I have been buying CSPR a little bit. I gotta look more into it though. Why is the new pre-search miner $60 on eBay? What do you mean the new pre-search miner? Because pre-search is like they only have nodes. They don't mine. So what do you think about this Fed liquidity grab before their announcement? Yeah, it was crazy, right? I mean, basically, what was I gonna say here? If you guys remember back in my live streams here during February, I told you guys. What did I tell you guys? I said during February, I was like, watch, starting March, sometime in March, we're gonna start to see a reversal in the markets. And that's exactly what we got. Right, ever since the beginning of March, we started look at this. March 2nd, look what happened on the next day. Look at that huge red candle, right? Now, where we would see a huge reversal is if you break the previous higher low, which was around 21,700. So if you break that 21,700 low, then man, oh man, we're coming back down to 20,500 for sure. And oh, look at this. Bitcoin's starting to making a move right now. 22,000. Are we going below 22,000? Are we going below 22,000 in this live stream? But yeah, it's crazy, right? With the, like I said, look, it's, even though we had a huge run up, it's just not, it's not normal for the markets to be bullish in a non-bullish economy, basically, right? I mean, these are the most high risk investments, and at the same time we have high interest rates. That doesn't go hand in hand. Why in the heck would they BAN you, Dr. Doc? So I'm not even gonna say here because I don't want to get in again, but the first one, like I was talking about the top, the top people. I was talking about currency. I was talking about the dollar, and I was so mad because I've always talked about that, right? I've always talked about that, and then, okay, so then a week later, come back, and then the second one, I was talking about M. I call it M now because I don't want to, I'm testing it out, because right when I started talking about this 1 week ago, in my second time, I talked about Emming, okay, which is, getting crypto, the machine way. And then, a couple minutes later, I'm out, right? So I don't know if they're trolls that are reporting and this, and I even appealed it, and it still got, like, they didn't say anything specific. But I feel like it was that, because after I started talking about Emming, like 5 minutes later, just out of here. Pinda says, Bitcoin go to 30K. You think so? So you think the bottom's in and we're going to 30K? Done, liked. Thank you so much, Bubs. Steph says, Lewis, are you doing TA tonight? If so, can you check out Rebus? Yeah, for sure. Let me check out this coin first that Bubs was talking about. What's the tag again, Bubs, for InnoTube? I don't know what the tag is, but I'll check out Rebus for you. Right here. Wow. So Rebus is trying to hold right here, man. If Rebus does not hold this, I don't know what I don't know where it can go, because none of these charts have history here. Yeah, look, there's no. The only one that I could find is this one on MEXC. Yeah, it's only on MEXC, right? So to be honest with you, Sniff, this is very bearish, because look, yeah, look, I don't know what the bottom. We are losing support right here for Rebus. You can see this right here, right? We're gonna lose the support, and once we lose the support, I don't know. Looking back here, because this chart doesn't show me the past history since November 2022, since it's MEXC. But very, very bearish. I think what's gonna happen is Rebus is probably gonna have a huge drop after we lose this support, which you can see it's holding for its dear life right here. Look at this support. You see? So not very bullish on Rebus at the moment. They can't keep raising it. Something's got to change, and it may be reversed on the announcement. Yeah, I don't like. It might be later 2023. It might even be this summer. But I feel like I feel like they want to be. I feel like they want a huge crash. I feel like that's just what they want. They just want a huge crash. Before they start to reverse the markets, right? Lovely to hear. So I agree. He has a whole vibe. I could watch his stream 24/7. Hey, Stars, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate you saying that, man. Gotta agree. Recently subbed. Love his chill vibe. Thank you, Samantha. Hey, man. I just want to thank you guys so much for all of you guys on here, especially during this bear market, man. Like it really means a lot. And I'm gonna keep doing this. Nothing's gonna stop us. Not TikTok. Right? We're gonna keep doing this. Because that's what I love. I love crypto, and I love to live stream here with you guys. Talk about not just crypto, but the world in general. Hey, what's up, Crypto Max? How you been, bro? Appreciate you stopping by here on TikTok. Mt. Gox Bitcoin release will bring about some decent selling price. Yeah, look, Panda just said that. Mt. Gox, I told you guys March is going to be a huge month, and we're probably going to start seeing a reversal. March 2nd, we have a huge drop. March 3rd, I believe, right? And we still have Mt. Gox to deal with what Panda just said. And I was so mad because we were going to have the Shanghai update, which would have been sell pressure on Ethereum. So you would have had a double whammy right there. Sell pressure on Bitcoin and Ethereum, with the Shanghai update releasing all the the staked Ethereum. But they pushed that to April. So it's crazy what these next coming months are gonna be like. XRP strongest coin in the market. Yes, and do not miss out March 20th. ISO 222 delayed to March 20th. That's gonna be a huge day for XRP and all the ISO coins. So do not miss that date, guys. March 20th. Put it on your calendar if you guys are pro ISO coins. Right, when the DXY shot up within the minute, Bitcoin dropped but bounced up very quickly. Yeah, it was strange, right? It was very strange that it did that when the DXY did that in relation with Bitcoin. Maybe a huge crash to usher CBDC. Yeah, look, Panda, my theory, and I made a video in the beginning of the year, which was my prediction for 2023, and I still hold to that prediction. I still hold to that prediction in which, for the new system, right, for like the new reset, right, whatever you want to call it, it can't just happen. Like, there has to be a huge, like, crash. Stars, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Stars. Stars with another super chat. Stars, thank you so much for the support, man. But like I said, guys, look, it's cause and effect, right? It's cause and effect to get people on this new system, right? Out of the dollar, right? It's cause and effect. There has to be a huge punch, a huge crash, a huge reason where people need like a savior. People need like a something that can save them from the current system, right? I'm trying to say the least words right here because you know, nothing here is financial advice, obviously, but that's just my opinion. That's part of my prediction for this year. I think 2023 is going to be huge. The number itself is an epic number, and that's what I think is going to happen. Will Bitcoin go back to 18K? Maybe not. Maybe not in the in the next coming weeks. But I think so. I don't think the Bitcoin bottom is in. Mainly to do with my prediction with a black swan. But yeah, for sure. They are ISO compliant. Yeah, they are ISO compliant. I keep hearing they are ISO compliant token, but they are. Which one, scammer? Which coin are you talking about? I bought a bunch earlier today thinking the knife had stopped falling. Yeah, I mean, from what I looked at it, it still looks like a falling knife. So be careful buying, Sniff. XLM XR, yeah, XLM XRP, they are ISO compliant. And if you guys are into those coins like I am, March 20th, put that on your calendar, March 20th. Daniel says, this is assuming Mt. Gox sells its Bitcoin. Chances are entity that currently has it will be minimal on the returns and keep the rest for the government like DEA, but for crypto, lol. Anytime I can support a brother, I will. Hey, Stars, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much, man. And yeah, let's take a look here. I'm still pumping in. What do you mean, Jones? What do you mean you're still pumping? I want to share some coins with you that are on my watch list. Buying, yeah, I'm still buying too. I've been buying ever since Bitcoin went under 20K. I've been buying. I started buying. That's when I started buying, when Bitcoin went under 20K. And this was like a couple months ago, right? Bitcoin went under 20K back in June. But I didn't start buying when Bitcoin went under 20K back in June. I waited till like November, like September, yeah. Like till around September time. That's when I started buying. And then recently, even after we've been above 20K, I've been buying a little bit too. So buy a little bit every week. Yeah, I like to do it. You know, my strategy, guys, please try this out. Obviously not financial advice, but please try this out, because this will basically remake your like psychology, okay? And after doing this strategy, I only buy on red day. I only buy when a coin is down hard. And I'm gonna tell you, it's so easy, it's so simple. It's like, you're gonna be like, this is exactly what I do. I created my watch list here for my Discord, but you can create your own. You can create your own watch list. This is just my personal watch list that I share with my Discord on CoinMarketCap. So go to CoinMarketCap, create your own watch list, right? Now what's important right here on customize, you want to customize it so you only have the hourly, the 24-hour, 7-day, 30-day, 90-day, and year-to-date, and the all-time high, and the percentage from the all-time high. You see that? Make it so it's something similar to like this, to like this watch list that I have. Then my strategy, what I do is every single day I like to go and look and see, I click right here, 24 hour, click on it, and you can do this on your phone too. You click on the 24 hour and boom, right here, you'll see all the coins that are down the most on the 24 hour on your watch list. So right here, on the 24 hour, Fetch AI is down 8% on the 24 hour today. Right? Like, so if I'm into Fetch, I might grab a little bit. It's down 8%. Right? Alchemy down 7% on the 24 hour. Now, same thing with the 24 hour. I like to do the monthly. So what's down the most on the monthly? I'll go right here, press the monthly. Right? Look at this right here. Render token down 35% on the monthly. You know, then I'll be looking to pick up some render. That's how I buy. That's my strategy. And I only buy the coins that are down hard unless there's like some crazy news. But let's say, for example, the opposite side, you know, Floki is up 45% on the monthly. I'm not gonna buy Floki. You see what I'm saying? Like, let's say this coin right here, 4 is up 56% on the daily, which it is. I'm not gonna buy 4, and I was actually planning to buy this coin 4, but recently it went up 56% on the daily. I'm not gonna buy it. You see what I'm saying? Try this out with CoinMarketCap. It will basically rewire your brain to only buy when a coin is down red, like down hard. And the awesome part is that you can see all the coins in just one screen, so it's very convenient. And you're gonna be buying coins on discounts versus buying it when it's like up 20%. You see what I'm saying? Win strategy. Thank you so much, Stars. Yeah, it's very simple. It's just very simple. It's a very simple strategy. And like I said, you don't have to have my watch list. You can create your own. The only thing, like I said, when you customize it, take out the market cap, take out there's like the circulating supply and all that, which you don't need, and just put in the 1 hour, 24 hour, 7 day, 30 days, 90 year to date, and then put the all-time high, and then put the percentage from the all-time high. The reason why this is important, guys, is because the percentage from the all-time high, you can see how much it's down from its all-time high. So, for example, okay, I want to take a look here at Tezos. Tezos is down 88% from its all-time high. Okay. Data Network. Data is still down 94% from its all-time high, which was $15. Okay. This is really, really good info to have in just one screen. It's so convenient. And you can see right here, for example, Bitcoin is down 68% from its all-time high. So Bitcoin was down 77%. So the bottom for Bitcoin was down 77% when Bitcoin was around 16K. It was down 77% from its all-time high. Now it's down 68% from its all-time high. You see? I like using customized lists in Crypto Bubbles. Yeah, Crypto Bubbles is another great one. Is another great tool as well, and it's great because it's visual. Just got in Rocket Fuel. Wow, it took off from several months. What's Rocket Fuel? This chart is on the daily. Dynamax. This is on the daily. And look, this was my prediction from a couple days ago, so please don't judge, guys. I know it's not going like this. Okay. But I thought that we would have another push-up and create like another shoulder. So basically forming like a head and shoulder, which can still happen if we come back and close above this. We can definitely form another shoulder and then come back down. All right. But we'll see. Simple and efficient. Yeah. Simple and efficient, right? I feel like a lot of people with their buying strategies, they overcomplicate too much, and they're not looking at the big picture, right? So yeah, let's see what your analysis is on the InnerTube chart, bro. Yeah, let me check it out right here. iTube. Thank you for sending the chart, the tag. iTube. Which one is that? Is that really? Let me see. I don't think I could find it because I put iTube and I put InnoTube. I can't find it unless it's like on. Is it on like poocoin.com or like DexTool? Because I can't find it on TradingView. Let me know if it's on those other websites, because it's not on TradingView. So I'm pretty sure it's like low cap coin. I tell you what, though, my Suku coin has been holding up well this whole time. Suku, what is? Never heard of that coin before. Let me check it out. What are they about, Dr. Doc, if you don't mind sharing? Suku. I just found it right here. It's currently 7 cents. Yeah, it's been holding pretty well. Definitely right on that. And it's ranked 729. So it aims to build simple and powerful tools to connect millions of Web3 citizens and experience in a fun, collaborative, and rewarding ecosystem. Sar says, overcomplicating trading unless you have been in the space for a while is never a smart idea. I appreciate you sharing that for anyone who may have not thought of it in such a way. Yeah, and that's the thing, right? Like, if I don't think, if you're not a trader, if you're not a natural trader, don't get into trading. Because what happens is people make investments in crypto and then it goes down hard, and they basically get like forced to be a trader. Like they're like trying to make profits, trying to sell at the highs and sell at the lows, and they're like forcing themselves to be a trader. But the truth is, a lot of people are just not natural traders. So they end up selling at the bottom and buying at the top, which is what bad traders do. And if you're one of those, right, and you just, it's not, it's not something that you're good at, not your natural thing, then don't get into it for sure. Try doing simple things like I just showed you. Buying, holding, but buying on red days, right? Yeah, I'm not sure why, but it's been holding up for all the red damage. Yeah, probably you probably have like good tokenomics probably. UFO Gaming is decentralized gaming platform. It's like Nakamoto or Gala. I think will be huge future. I bought some this morning. UFO tokens full circulated. Really, it's full circulated? USO and Bryce are my Shiba coin. Yeah, I have some Bryce too. I still haven't gotten back into UFO, but I think I'm gonna start to look. Let me check out UFO here. I want to see how much it's down. Let's check how much UFO is down from its all-time high. I want to compare it here. Okay, so yeah. So this is why I love my watch this too, because you can compare coins. So UFO right here, it's down. It's still down 97% from its all-time high. So, man, it's still down a lot from its all-time high. 97% for UFO. And on the monthly, it's down 16%, but on the year-to-date, it's up 36%. So, yeah, UFO really didn't have a huge rise, which is good if you're long-term. But yeah, again, like, crypto gaming is gonna make many millionaires, and I'm not exaggerating. A lot of people are gonna be made millionaires from investing in crypto gaming for sure. The real question is with crypto gaming is, it's so difficult to get a crypto game project to be mainstream, because once that one crypto game becomes mainstream, the sky's gonna be the limit, right? And we don't even like. I can't even name you guys one game that is a good, like a fun crypto game that is worth playing right now. That's how early it is. And my prediction is, I think out of nowhere we're gonna see some crypto game just blast off and go like get popular to the point where it's mainstream out of nowhere. And this is gonna be probably a coin that we haven't seen coming. And then after that happens, that's gonna start the whole crypto gaming narrative craze. And you're probably gonna start seeing Gala pump and all these other coins pump. And what I think is gonna happen is the crypto game, a lot of the crypto game projects are gonna start following that same formula for that huge project, whichever project it is that blows up. That's my prediction. But I think just like ChatGPT came out of nowhere. Right, like ChatGPT came out of nowhere. Like, no, who the heck knew about this a couple, months back ago? Nobody knew about this. I feel like the same way will happen with a crypto gaming project. I feel like it's just gonna blast off, and once that happens, you're gonna see a lot of crypto game. That's when you're gonna see the narrative go big. When gaming gets to like the moving player one, that's when crypto will be utilized for gaming. Yeah, agree. Great point by Dr. Doc on TikTok. It's on DexTool. Okay, I'll check it out on DexTool. Check it out on DexTool. I have a question. How are we supposed to cash out our crypto like Shiba since we can't trust our banks taking our money? Great question by Jesus is King. So he wants to know, how are you supposed to cash out our Shiba, our crypto, since we can't trust our banks in taking? So that's a great question, and obviously the banks are the middleman for that, because you got to send your money to your bank and then get the cash and all that. So the thing is, the idea is to, when you cash out, right after you cash out, you withdraw the money from the bank, right? Whichever amount, and it doesn't have to be all at once. Obviously, it can't be all at once because it's the bank. So you'll do it like bits by bits, or you can actually use that money and buy gold, right? Invest in gold, real estate, and other assets versus just withdrawing it right off the bat. But obviously it would have to be fast before the banks collapse or something like that happens, right? Or you can just send it to a coin or a stable coin that you trust, or just a coin that you trust, and hold it cold storage in a cold storage wallet, right? That's the other way. You go to the crypto ATMs. Yeah, there's also crypto ATM machines too. That's another way too. UFO is play to earn, metaverse and NFT. Yeah, and UFO is definitely a great low cap gem that you got to keep your eye on and see how they're developing and everything. This is the website right here. You can see right here. All right, they have a bunch of games. It's not just one game. They have a bunch of games. You can submit a game, but they do have NFTs and all that. Lewis, where did you get your Doge miner? Great question by GT. So my Doge miner, GT, I bought it used on this app called Macari, which is like a used. It's an app that you can sell used items. And I think it's only available in the USA and Canada. So if you live in the USA, definitely check it out. It's called Macari. And I got it used on there for 200. My first one was 230, and then my second one was $250. And during the time, the Doge mini miners were going for $500, $500 to $800. Right now they're around $500 retail, but a lot of people are selling them for like $400, or even like 300 around there. But in my opinion, their value is like, I wouldn't buy one more than 250 or 230 for sure. Okay, but that's where I got it, and it definitely is a risk to buy used. But if someone's selling it at a huge discount, then it's worth it. And you could, you know, Mercari has a thing where you can return it if it's not working and everything, so you can definitely return it if it's not good. But yeah, look into getting used equipment, because a lot of people don't know what they got, and they want money fast, and they're just putting all these emming equipment for cheap prices on eBay, Mercari. And I look every day. Every couple hours I'm looking on the app. It's cool because you can save keywords. So on the app, I saved keywords such as Doge, crypto, emming equipment, crypto GPUs, GPU emming. I save all these keywords, and then I just click on my favorites, and I go on the keyword, and it shows me the latest listings. I got the Doge regular, unfortunately. When I got it, the Doge Pro still wasn't out. But to be honest, GT, what I'm looking to do is I'm gonna try listing my Doge minis for around 400 to 450. And if I do sell one for around 400 to 450, I'm gonna be buying a Doge 2, which just came out. And the Doge 2 on this website with the discount, it's around 480. And basically, GT, the Doge 2 that just came out, it's basically 2 Doge minis in one. It's the same specs as 2 Doge minis in one. That's all it is. That's the Doge 2, and it's going for 480 on this website right now, which I think is a great price. So that's my mission. I'm gonna try to sell one Doge mini that I have for around 400 to 450, and then use that money to get a Doge 2. But yeah, look, the Doge 2 is already sold out on Gold Shell, but it's not sold out on these other websites. And one of them is selling for 480 with the $70 discount. So look at the Doge 2. It really is. It's basically 2 Doge minis. It's basically two Doge minis in one. But obviously it has a higher watt. It has a higher electricity cost. But it's definitely worth it if you're long-term Dogecoin and Litecoin. All the new Doge 2 miners are 6. No, Jared, I'm telling you, this website, I'll share here with you in the... Man, I don't want to share the website because I don't want to get BAN. Because that's what happened last time. Like last time after I showed the gold shell and everything, I got 5 minutes later I got beat. I don't know why. I don't know why I would. But I'll tell you the name of the website though. I'll tell you the name of the website. It's this one right here. Let me see if I can find it. I'm telling you, they're going for 480 on this website, and it's not sold out yet. So, and let me check I'm trying to find it here. I'll find it right here for you guys, and I'll tell you the code too. I'll tell you the coupon. Where the heck? Okay, I think I found it. Where did I? Nope, that's not it. I just had it. Let me go to my histories. Yeah. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got the website. How do you know it's a legit, it's like a notable website. It's not like some BS website. It's like a notable I'll show you right here. The link. I'm gonna paste the link on the YouTube, but on TikTok I can't comment for you guys, so I'll just tell you I'll tell you the name of the website on TikTok, but on YouTube I put the link to it. But on TikTok I'll just tell you it's called asicmarketplace.com, and right when you go, at the top it says use coupon code for extra $70. So you got a $70 discount. And I don't know if I could show you guys here. I don't want to get in trouble, but it, like right on my screen it just says 480. Like, I'm not even joking. It went from 550 to 480 for the Doge 2. Yeah, the Doge 2. And it's not sold out or anything. Yeah, I'm not joking. Like, the coupon code is extra 70, and you can use this for other equipment too, not just the Doge 2. They have other ones too, but the Doge 2, it literally went from 550 to 480 using this. The ROI, so it's probably like it's probably like break even if you were to take out the electricity cost. But like I said, the Doge 2 is basically 2 Doge minis in one, and I currently have 2 Doge minis, and at the moment with my 2 Doge minis I make around $30 a month. But if I were to take out electricity cost, it's basically like break even. It's just like a tiny bit profitable. It's just like a couple cents, but it's basically break even, so it's not profitable at the moment. But if I weren't to take out electricity costs, it's double the power. Yeah, Jesse. So like I said, it's 2 Doge minis in one, and it's around 400 watts. Let me check out here the amount of watts that it is. So it's 200. I'll tell you the stats right now. Yeah, it's 400 watts, and the hash rate is 420 mega hash. Oh, that's cool. 420 mega hash. I don't know if they did that on purpose, but 420 mega hash and 400 watts. So like I said, the specs are basically 2 mini Doges in one. And I bought my 2 Doge minis knowing that they weren't profitable. Like, I knew that they weren't profitable. I bought them because I got it used for $230 like a couple months back when the retail price was like 500 plus. And the whole point, like the whole reason behind me getting it is because I'm long-term Dogecoin and Litecoin, because it also dual mines Litecoin, if you didn't know. And to be honest, like, I'll probably say every time I get paid, it's around $4 and like $2 in Litecoin. So like $4 in Dogecoin and around $1.50 in Litecoin. It's around there every 6 days, 6 to 7 days. And guys, look, I'm gonna be keeping you guys up to date on my ROI and everything like that. If you check out my latest TikTok, my plan is to create like a Node and M, by M, you know what I mean by M, hub here in my office. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly my initial investments on everything. So far I invested $1,000. If I were to count my 2 Doge minis, my power supply, and recently my HS equipment that I bought that are coming in this week, and I got it on a good sale. I got 3 for the price of 2, which was around $400. And this one that's coming in is basically the same. It's like, it looks the same thing. It's like a box, but in mine it ems either the coin Sia coin or HNS. That's what it ems. And I'm gonna be making videos, keeping you guys up to date on my ROI, how much I make monthly, how much I invested in, and everything like that. And it's not just the M equipment, but also nodes. I'm gonna be getting into nodes as well. I recently just bought a pre-search node, and I bought a pre-search node for $230, and it currently makes $9 to $8 a day, which is pretty good. So if you guys are looking into getting into nodes, not financial advice obviously, take a look at Presearch. I think Presearch is a great project. And there is a little bit of a learning curve to set up that node, but it's not like that's what you want. You want a learning curve. You don't want like these node projects that have like no utility, like nothing behind it. They're not node projects. They're like basically staking with extra steps. And we saw a huge craze with the fake node projects, like Thor was one of them, and there's other ones too, like Strong Block maybe. But they weren't true nodes, okay? Presearch on the other hand, like I had to buy a VPS that I'm paying, like that VPS, the VPS server, virtual private server, I'm paying $10 a year, which is a pretty good deal. I got it at a good deal. They had like a sale on Racknerd, so I'm paying $10 a year for the VPS, the virtual private server, to have my Presearch node on. That cost me $230 and it's making me $9 to $8 a month basically. And I'm gonna be keeping you guys up to date on everything, you know. Is there risk if I long Bitcoin now? Beyond, yes, it is very risky, because I'll tell you why it's risky to long Bitcoin right now. Like, if I were to look to long Bitcoin right now, I would look for it to bounce back over 22,300 and hold that as support. But right here you can see that we lost that support of this nice uptrend that we had here for ever since January 23rd, right? Today was the day that we closed under it. We closed under it today. And again, if you're longing Bitcoin right now, you're basically betting, because we don't have a confirmation of it coming back in here. We don't know if it's going to come back up into this uptrend. That's why before longing this, I would rather wait for it to have a nice move up, besides guessing that it would have a move up. You see what I'm saying? Because we closed under it. We're under it right now. So that's just my take on it. Long XRP. Me too, brother. How's it going? Bitcoin. Free the world. Remember guys, March 20th, big ISO 222 day. Watch out, March 20th. Paper trading is basically like fake trading. It's basically the same thing, but with like fake money. And it's a great thing for beginner investors, for beginner traders. Okay, so if there are people that are hating on paper trading, I don't understand people that hate on paper trading. Like, it's just people getting into trading and trying to get better, right? Before they put their real money in. Hey, what was that? What the heck? That was the first time I have like a emoji on my TikTok screen. I had like a cowboy hat. What the? Thank you so much, Bitcoin. Bitcoin freed the world. Just send me over. You just send me a cowboy hat with a mustache. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you for the gifts. Why do I feel Bitcoin is going to 13K right now? Not 13K, but maybe 18K. Maybe. How about HNT? I actually do have a HNT miner, but it doesn't make any. It barely makes anything. At the same time, it doesn't have a lot of electricity. I would be careful getting. I would only buy HNT miner if it's like around $100 to $120. To be honest, because it hasn't been making a lot, and it depends on your location too. XRP is the next Shiba and Doge, but within real world use. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's the next Shiba and Doge because it's higher than Shiba and Doge, right? It's in terms of market cap. But I am bullish on XRP for sure. It's actually one of my top 3 biggest holdings. Keep up the great work. Thank you, Bitcoin, free the world. Appreciate you, man. How'd you find my TikTok, by the way? How'd you find about my TikTok? 4 hour have a bullish. Really, there's a bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Let me check. Let's check if there's a bullish divergence here. This is the 4 hour. I don't see any bullish divergence. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see any bullish divergence on the 4 hour. I don't see any bullish divergence on the 4 hour, to be honest. Gifts equals money. Oh, they're gifts. Okay. Thank you for the gift, Bitcoin. That was the first time I get like something cool like that pop out on my screen, like the cowboy hat. And we usually see these bumps will too be the last spike. Yeah. Gotta get back to y'all soon. Nice hanging out. Maybe we can cash in. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry, bro. I just got Dex tools right here. Let's check out the inner tube. And I appreciate you stopping by, Dubs. I forgot about the Dex tool right here that I had, but I'll check your inner tube for you. And I appreciate you coming on, bro. Take a look here at inner tube. What's the? Can I change the hourly? Where can I change the time frame here? Oh, right here. You know what that reminds me? The cloud and bread. Oh shoot. Wow, thank you so much for the gifts, man. I was just going through the lives and you popped off. Oh really? That's how you found me? Oh, that's awesome. Looks like TikTok is on my side now because I just came back. If you didn't know, Bitcoin free the world, I just came back from a 1 week BAN. And before that I had another 1 week BAN. So appreciate you coming on here, man. Happy you found my live stream. Definitely follow because I do live stream every other day or every day. And I'm also on the tube. But yeah, looking at this chart, this is look. If iTube holds this right here, where it's exactly at right now, if it can hold this level, then it's bullish. We can have another huge price up. But I'm gonna look more into it. I saw where you talked about it. It looks very interesting, iTube. But look, if you don't hold this, if we lose, what is that? Quadruple 0.8527, then we can have a big drop to 6. Okay. But so far we're at support. We're trying to hold that support. And hopefully we do hold it. My boy looks like a rock star. Dragonborn. What's up, man? Dan Dragonborn. Appreciate you coming on here, man. Thank you for the support. Chronos chart is super bullish. Oh shoot, look at this. I got a hat. They're sending me gifts on TikTok right now, guys. Like I had a cowboy hat, and now I just got like a snapback, a TikTok snapback hat. Thank you, Bitcoin, to free the world, for the gifts. He sent me a bunch of gifts today. Appreciate all the gifts and the super chats, guys. It really does mean a lot. Oh. My boy, it's me, bro, Daniel. Oh, what's up, Daniel? How you been, bro? I didn't know you had a second channel. Or did you change your name on this channel, on your other channel? Oh shoot. Oh, you did change it. Okay. So you changed your name and your thing. That's cool. Go check out channels. Go check out Dan's channel, guys. He's one of my friends. If you guys like gaming videos like Skyrim and all that, you guys will definitely like his channel. Tell guests to hit the screen. More likes, more you will appear. Really? So tell the guests to hit the screen. More likes, more you... Yeah, guys, definitely like the live stream. It helps out a lot with the algorithm. We got 3,000 likes, 31 viewers. Whoa! Bro, killing it with the like, with the gifts. I just got a basketball, a soccer ball, a cat paw. Thank you so much for the gifts, bro. This is the most gifts I get in the live stream for like ever since I started TikTok live streaming, man. Thank you so much. It's funny because we knew this dip was coming. It had to go. Yeah, everyone knew this dip. And I was calling this dip. If you guys are here early last month, I was calling this dip. I saw bearish divergence on the daily, and I said, don't worry, bearish divergence, which we see right here. Look at this. Bearish divergence plays out. It just takes a little bit of time. Whoa! So many gifts. Thank you so much, bro. We got basketball, football. Bitcoin free the world. Thank you so much for all the gifts, bro. Hey, I'm definitely gonna use those gifts and buy more XRP for sure. I'm gonna stack up more on the XRP. You know who's buying XRP right now? You know who's probably buying XRP right now? Probably the judge. He's probably stacking on the XRP right now. Right? I made a TikTok on that. I'm not sure that's the right chart. Really? It was the only one that said iTubes and it was connected to PancakeSwap. Have a blessed day. Bitcoin free the world, man. Thank you so much. You just made my night. You and stars over on YouTube, you guys just made my night, and everyone else too. Thank you guys so much. This is a great, I just came back from 1 week of being BAN, and this is a great week to come back. Like I said, nothing's gonna stop us, guys. Yep, him and his friends. Yeah, I'm telling you, the judge and all those guys, they're loading up on the XRP. I called bottom, I called top. Yeah, I remember Jesse. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. We should play Hearthstone. Yeah, definitely let me know. I've been busy the last couple of days. That's why I haven't been able to play Hearthstone. But definitely let me know. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to play with you a little bit. I'm not that sure that's the right chart. Remember when I bought Crow at 5 cents? I bought some high value NFTs on Chronos and now Crow's at 7. Yeah. And Crow went up to 7. What did it go up to? 75 cents? So that is a... Did you sell near the top, Jesse? I've been stacking up on Aptos. Jesse, talk to me about Aptos, because I hear so much hype on Aptos, as well as Optimism. But let me know more about Aptos. What is their project about and everything? Because there's so many projects, guys, that it's so hard to keep up with everything. Like I'm telling you, it really is hard. I got a free airdrop. Oh, you got a free airdrop? Thanks for the shout out. Anytime, Dan. Anything special? What do you mean, Crypto Dynamax? What do you mean by anything special? And they use new programming language called Move. Okay, but what is their project about? What is Aptos about? What do they do? What is their like utility? So like, what do they use that programming language for? So I'm gonna tell you guys here some projects here that I'm looking to accumulate in my watch list. Again, I only share this with the Discord, but here and there I share here with you guys on live. I've been accumulating this project called Horizon, and my goal is to have at least one Horizon node, which is pretty cheap. To have one Verizon node, you need at least 42 Verizon, which if you were to look at the price right now, it's $10. So if I go right here, how much is 42 Verizon? And I'll tell you about Verizon in a bit. It's actually a lot, to be honest. It's 450. I thought it was gonna be less, but it's 450. So I've been accumulating this coin Verizon to have at least one node. And this is like a real node project. This isn't like BS node project. Like you actually got to, you know, there is a learning curve to getting a node. But Horizon is a zero knowledge enabled network of blockchains powered by the largest node infrastructure in the industry. And there are a lot of nodes in this project. I forgot how much, but it's interoperable, enabled by Zindel protocol, blah blah blah. What else is here? Cryptographic verification of network chains, offers massive scale, supports up to 10,000 side chains with a throughput limit of 10 million TPS. What else does it do? So it makes Horizon permissionless network of blockchains. Developers can deploy their blockchains within the ecosystem. What else? And the next set of CDKs will include EVM integration for Ethereum smart contracts. Let me see. If you go right here to the website, the zero knowledge enabled network of blockchains. Again, this is just one of the projects that I'm accumulating, not financial advice. Like I told you guys, I'm looking to get into a lot of node projects. This is one of them, Horizon, and you need 42 Horizon, which is basically 450. And I just been buying a little bit here, a little bit there, accumulating. High transaction speeds. In my experience, Aptos is super fast. Oh, really? Anything possible vibes for crypto? I mean, at the moment, we're pretty bearish. If you look at the Fear and Greed Index, it actually says neutral. But I think with everything going on, I would say we're mostly bearish right now. The next thing, this month, like I said, Crypto Dino, it's gonna be huge because we got the Mt. Gox. We had the Shanghai update that was moved to April, but we also have March 20th ISO 222. We have a bunch of reports coming out this month, right? The inflation report and also other reports towards the end of the month, which are gonna be important too. Yes, Choco, XRP is definitely possible, but it depends. It's very situational, right? It depends a lot based on the results with the case, but it is possible, I would say. Jesse says, I want to have at least $1,000. I'm saving up for Amazon NFTs. Is that legit? Is Amazon gonna really have NFTs? Is that like confirmed? And on what blockchain, what platform are they gonna be selling their NFTs on, Jesse? Hey, thank you, Dan. Thank you, Dan, for all the goat emojis. Thank you, bro. I haven't looked into Polkastar. Let me know about Polkastar, Dashing Sonny. I really haven't looked into Polkastar. Well, are they related with Polkadot? That's legit. NFT marketplace, Amazon NFT marketplace. Really? So is this like official already that Amazon is gonna have their own NFT marketplace? Is this like legit? And they're like they're actually creating their own blockchain? Cause that would be insane. They should, Amazon should have like an airdrop for all the Prime members. You know what I mean? So if you're a Prime member, you get like a nice big airdrop. I'm bullish. Yeah, if it's true, I'm bullish too. If it is true. Yeah, look, the thing with Amazon is just so big that it's either gonna, you know, when Amazon comes into crypto space, it's either gonna, like you said, create its own blockchain or whatever, or what I think most likely will happen is partner with other chains and deploy their stuff on that. Use like other chains to deploy their stuff. That's what I think probably will happen. I don't know. Dashi says it's a launch pad for new projects. It's a pretty good. So many coins are doing pre-sales. Oh, okay. And is it like a launch pad on like Polkadot, on the Polkadot ecosystem? "13 collections will be available. You can't really lose." Yeah, when do you know that it's gonna be available, Jesse? Or they haven't announced it yet? But yeah, I'm gonna look more into that because I did not know that Amazon was gonna have that collection. And that's another thing too, guys. Like, you know, along with my, you know, with equipments and stuff that which is what I'm investing in nodes, don't sleep on NFTs, because the first run of NFTs was insane. Like millionaires were made, right? And there's gonna be another huge run for NFTs again. So don't think the NFTs are dead. Don't, you know, it is more risky to invest in NFTs. Trust me, it is more risky. Even versus like crypto. But if you do your research just like Jesse is, and you invest in like a couple good NFTs, and all you need is one of them. All you need is one of them to fly like crazy, and you can make 50K, 100K whenever the next NFT run comes. Because NFTs, as risky as they are, they have a huge reward upside. I heard a rumor of April 24th. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Yeah, man, I gotta start saving too if it is true, because I would definitely like to have at least one, right? It's used all the ecosystem, Polygon, BSC, ETH, and many more. Oh, wow. Okay. I gotta look into Polkastar then. I gotta look. I gotta see the pre-sales too, that they have it on there. All you need is one, and play is smart. Crypto is high risk, high reward. Yeah, but I feel like NFT is like an asset within crypto that's even more high risk, because there are so many NFTs out there, and versus like crypto, like the NFTs, they don't have liquidity, right? Like crypto has a lot of projects, they have liquidity. If you buy an NFT and nobody wants to buy it, you're stuck with it, right? That's what I mean. So it is harder, but I would say the reward is much bigger if you land a good one. Do you think we'll link it with products? Yeah, so it's probably gonna be something where you get like a huge feature within Amazon, just like for example, Amazon Prime members have, like, you know, the free shipping, right? So I think this is gonna be something where you might have a discount, or you might have 1-day shipping feature or something like that. It's definitely gonna be a really game-changing feature within Amazon. And you know what, like when you look at Amazon Prime is big. Like Amazon Prime is something that's worth it. And you know Amazon goes in like it's Amazon Prime is something that's worth it because you get free shipping, and a lot of times you get 1 day or 2 day shipping, right? So Amazon Prime is something that's worth it. And if they do bring these NFTs, you know they're gonna be delivering, right? You know they're gonna have something that's worth it too. So we'll see what they got. Maybe, right? Maybe Amazon Prime for life. Maybe it's something like that. But man, thank you so much for bringing that up, because I haven't known about that, Jesse. I'm definitely gonna look and research that this week. But yeah, just want to thank you guys so much. It went amazing here on TikTok. We're coming back for a 1 week, basically 2 weeks of being BAN. And I appreciate all you guys coming back here, Jesse, all of you guys here and on YouTube. Appreciate all the gifts, the super chats, and everything. I will be live streaming again either tomorrow or the next day. So definitely follow me on here and on the tube, on YouTube. Put the notification bell so you get a notification when I do go live. Okay. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on my crypto passive income journey with my nodes and my aiming equipment. So far I invested around $1,000, but I'll keep you guys updated and everything. You guys can check out my recent videos. It's funny because I deleted TikTok for 2 weeks. Really? Yeah, man. I mean, for 2 weeks, like I basically been BAN. So I'm just coming back now, and everything went amazing. And I appreciate all you guys coming. I just gotta be more careful with what I say, and you guys know what you guys know what I mean when I say M, right? M is for the crypto machine equipment, right? Sounds good. Take care. Thank you so much, Jared. Yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in episode 34 of the Crypto Hangout in the next one. All right, guys. Peace.